say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate.
Hey, what's up guys, Zenith Gaming here with another video. Let's get into this, shall we? Alright. So, let's take this dirt bike, shall we? Screw it. Now, how far do we have to go?
You need help?
Here we go. For a second, hold on. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'll meet you guys there. Right, we are here. Yeah, I switched to my bike for a Lambo. Or a friggin'...
Hey!
I don't know. Anyway. Alright, let's get changed. Now, I don't know if you guys know this, but I know it. You can actually go on this. Well, my friends certainly didn't know this. You probably know it easily. But I'm just gonna wear pretty much everything I have. Why did you take it away? Do I ever get to wear that? Really? That sucks. I have to get to wear it. Oh my weight limit, Jesus Christ. Oh, where do we need to go? Where do we need to go? Oh fuck, we need to buy pants. Damn it. Oh, let's go and buy pants, I guess. Fuck it, I'll go with these ones. These are good. I like leather pants. I've seen all these, like, more than all these shitty ones they have and stuff. Alright, let's go then, shall we?
And the passcode for the door.
Let's go. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Okay, what's wrong with your name? Tidy Bananas. Who names their company that? Right, quick question. The developers of this game, did you mean to have your, oh fuck, I'll stop it. Right, there is where I need to go. Show me you guys there. See ya. Rightio, we are here. In the DedSec, well, not yet. We're nearly here in the DedSec headquarters. Enter the passcode. You let me in now? Oh, well that's very, very...
Get the fuck out of here!
Fuck you too! Really? Really, you friggin' put a rude finger up? Oh my god, assholes. Why? Jesus Christ, this fucking place is a mess.
Yo!
Finally.
Actually, it's not
So
that
Josh and I
bad.
spoke, and fucking over Bloom has been a long-standing project.
Alright, you need two
Actually,
things
not
to
that bad.
take down Bloom. You need
Hello?
people to rally behind your cause and separate you from the trolls.
And we need bots, and a lot of
Okay.
them to handle the data CTOS is processing.
Thank you, Josh.
We spent all night modifying our app so you can
Alright.
get followers to download the app, and we can use their processing power for the cause.
This is happening? It's really happening?
Yeah, man, this is happening. You better get to it.
Oh, so we're actually taking over Bloom. Fuck
Barbarians
yeah.
are at the gate and ready to bust some Roman heads.
Yeah, we're gonna focus on some
Right here, then.
high-profile ops, playing for
Let's go do this,
exposure
shall
and
we?
laughs to get people to download our app.
Am I gonna get on the cut? Am I
Don't
gonna get
worry.
out of the cutscene?
That was something fun.
Hello. Thank you. Well, let's
Marcus! Check you out.
see
Alive and
what
dry. I wasn't sure after your moonlight swim. Come here. You've got to check this out.
see what he wants. Alright.
Behold,
Hello,
our very
wench.
own open
What
source
did you
research
want from
app.
me?
So, like, all of us here pool vulnerabilities that we find, and we encourage everyone to share work,
Right.
research, etc.
Okay,
Res-
so what's the
research
research
app.
app do?
Widen our skill set, make us
Oh,
irresistible
well,
to the
actually sounds
gender of
kinda
our
cool.
choice.
What, so it's like I know Kung Fu
Nice.
kind of deal?
If Kung Fu was a gender and not so 1999, absolutely.
Alright, research app. Wait a minute. Oh, is this one of those? Oh, it is. Oh, it's like skill point like placement. You can like spend skill points. Oh, that's cool. Oh my god. So fucking cool. Should I? Nah, I won't. Remote control. Oh, hell yeah, that's gonna come in handy. Fuck yeah. Okay, I can't reach tight space, like really high spaces. Alright. Well, I'm finished with your app. What's up now?
Behold, the wonders of technology.
A 3D printer?
This
A 3D
is the army of printers. It is capable
Alright.
of pumping
Why
out
do you
an
have the
arsenal of lethal
Arnold
weapons
Schwarzenegger
down.
accent
Seriously?
when you say that?
Yep. Once you master it, voila.
Alright.
Hipster merchant of death.
All good, except I'm no hipster.
Okay.
You keep telling yourself that.
Fuck
You
you!
get something.
No, I'm not a
But don't
hipster, asshole.
gloss up.
Shut up. Alrighty then. Oh, we have to test it out. Alright. I like that troll face in there. Right there. Alright. Wait, does it automatically print? No way. Holy shit, that looks so real. What the fuck? At my school, I have like a 3D printer. It takes like 5 hours to print. And you have a base. Like, it gets stuck on a base. You can't get it off. Okay, I officially love you, Wrench. You're the best. Holy shit, this looks so cool. That is so fucking... Oh, that is so fucking cool. Wrench, why do I have to pay for it? I'm on the same team as you. Come on, Matt. Okay, never mind. Hello. Oh, this one is. Gotcha. Why do I keep
Good to
walking
have another
back?
brother here.
Good to be here,
Stupid.
man. Are you all hackers?
Yeah, kind of a basic requirement to
Alright.
get invited into the hacker space. But we all have our
Yeah,
specialties, like Josh over
That's
there.
kind of a stupid
Always
question to
building
ask,
shit that shouldn't work.
Marcus.
Now he's
Just
trying to build this
Big
big
ass
ass drone.
drone.
And wrench?
Good engineer too, but better at breaking
Engineer.
shit apart. And yo, Satara, Sis got skills as an artist and a graphic designer.
Graphic
Without her,
designer. Shit.
Dead sex walking around without a face or voice.
What about you? What's your superpower?
Alright.
Tactical coordinator or
This shit
cat
looks cool
herder.
as.
Take your pick. I make Dead
Alright,
Sec
what,
go where it has the most
yeah,
impact.
what's your job?
You heard of Primate? Those are some real dirty hacking motherfuckers.
Alright.
Yeah, I brushed up against him before. It wasn't pleasant.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Link up with me when you're ready to do this, and I'll fill you in.
Cool.
There's always someone running ops against Primate. Bet they'd love your help.
Alright. Nice talking to you. Wait, what? I can access online? Oh wait, no, I probably have to
It's
have
something,
a PlayStation Plus.
right?
Calm down.
This whole place is something.
We used to keep track of newsfeeds,
Hey, right.
but now it's our follower wall.
So it knows if we're trending?
No. It's based on hard values. How many people downloaded our app, how much processing power we have access to, you know.
Nice.
Alright,
And
nice.
speaking of which, we're downloading the DeadSec app into your phone as we speak.
Holy
When
shit,
it's
that's
ready,
awesome.
open it up, click
Alright.
the suggested op, and hit the podcast side so we can test it.
Sounds good.
One more thing. I put
Alright,
a reminder on your phone so you remember what we're gunning for.
Gunning
Get
for,
enough
yeah, I know.
processing power to take down Bloom.
Take down Bloom. That fucking stupid organization of fuckwits. Alright. Oh, it's an audio log.
DedSec has coordinated
Fuck you, I don't even have to touch it. You fucking How much rude fingers do they have to have?
Actually has somebody
Jesus
upstairs
Christ.
calling the shots.
It's like fuck you
Camps
around each
full of
corner.
babes. I can't say if it's true or not, but somebody's focusing their efforts.
Right.
I know because I studied everything about them. Even ran a few of their ops. I wanted to emulate them, try to figure out what worked for them and apply it to us.
Can I
But the members of our Bay Area-
can I open the door? Can I open the door now? Can I? How the fuck am I supposed? Is there something else I have to wait? Oh, maybe the phone. Yeah, that's probably it. Right. Okay, walk in the park. Right, I'll see you guys in a second when I get there.
which boosts our
Right, I'm
processing
here
power, which
at
lets us do
the
bigger and badder
park.
ops.
Jesus Christ. Alright. Oh, breaking
Coming
news.
up after
Wow,
the break, we'll
cool.
be sitting down with a
Nobody
former
cares. Get
street
the fuck off
artist.
my phone.
Sweet Tea, as he's known in the community, is here to promote a new book
Get
of his
the
art
fuck
and
off
a
my
brand
phone.
new fashion line, including t-shirts, caps, and bling. Very
Alright.
exciting stuff.
What? That's fucking creepy. I'm checking people's. Oh, look at people's texts. Oh, what the fuck? Alright.
Bravo!
Johnny.
That's the best you
Better not be
got.
talking to me.
Hey, what the fuck?
And so what?
Gotta
the
get
hell,
out of
Ozzy?
here.
Everyone walk all over me? I'm supposed to take
Don't
it?
fucking
I'm
push
not
you,
the
girl.
one who's unbalanced.
Hey,
Piece of
yo.
shit.
What's
You.
going on? Oh my
Don't disrespect women.
God.
What the hell?
Back off.
Oh fuck. Oh shit. Sorry.
Hey.
Bashing both of them up. Oh, she was a girl. Shit. Oh come on, stop. Don't I bash you up? Fuck. Because I have to. And I've got 2 stars. Fuck you. Frick. You know what? Fuck you.
No thanks.
Should I do that? Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck you. Fuck you. You can die in hell. You can die in hell 2. You can die in hell 3. And I got 3 stars. Fuck. See how this is gonna go out. Fuck. Get in. Damn it. Ah, you cops. Well, that didn't exactly go as planned. I did shit the moment I tried it. Fuck me. Fuck.
Right, yeah.
Never been on that death screen
Uh-huh.
before. Pretty cool death screen. Alright, let's actually get to business. Okay, what the fuck am I doing? What am I supposed to do at this park?
Right.
Right, you know what, I'm gonna be back when I find out what the mission, what we're supposed to be doing. Okay, found the guy, this guy.
Got to get the free.
Alright, hello, mister. How are you going?
Hey, so what's this about Bobo Dakes?
You know
Bobo
Bobo's
Dakes.
working on a new album, right?
Yeah, I heard.
Well, you won't get to hear it? Motherfucker, Gene
What?
Carcani just put millions on the
Wow.
table to keep it all to himself.
What does a
What a
big pharma
prick.
CEO want with a rap album?
Dude has
What
a
a
huge Bobo
that's it.
collection.
That I've had
And he
enough of
probably
this
wants
shit.
to hang
No.
that shit on his wall
No.
like a damn trophy.
Right. No.
Just rubbing his money in our faces.
No, this isn't happening anymore. This is not happening. Right? I will not have some rich freaking CEO
Time for what?
take this shit away from me. Get fucked.
Oh, perfect.
So,
Get-
how do we
Go to
contact
this fucking
Carcani?
place.
I'm gonna visit his mansion. I need to see his face when we do
Yes,
this.
I will do that. What the fuck? What does a rich ass bastard named? Wow! What does a rich bastard even want to friggin' And why did he have to be so self-centered though? What the fuck's wrong with him? Alright, look at this house. I think I might do that. keep thinking it's GTA and I go to press X to run. Oh shit, ow. Oh my god, that thing breathes fire. Jesus Christ. Oh, wait, I'm supposed to do something to this.
911, what is your emergency? Come on, I need cops here.
Oh. Okay.
POS verified your location.
Oh, I see it now. There we go. Well, hello there, asshole. See, you got
Time
a
to
pretty
mess with the
shitty-
farmer clown.
This ass face
Let's see, you got
deserves
a
it.
pretty damn good mind. Don't mind if I hack some of your shit here. Don't mind if I hack some your laptop and computer.
Hello?
Sup?
Sup? Who is this?
Yo, bitch, it's Bobo.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, that made it sound.
I'm a huge fan. Are you taking me up on my offer?
Yeah, I laid down some hot trash.
Really? Fantastic.
If you don't know, they actually made a sound.
Can I get a sample?
I was driving. I did something. Sticks to the phone.
That's dope. It's your best work yet. But this is exclusive, right? No one else gets this?
Why?
Me?
Why? Why? What
So how do you want payment?
Bitch better have my money.
Bitch, better
I
have
do.
my money.
I just need to know how to route it.
Yo, check.
Yo, check it.
Ah, there. That's the routing number?
Yup.
Okay. Alright.
Sent and confirmed. Got it. This is awesome, man. This is like a dream come true.
Yo, bitch, Bobo Day.
What?
They say God made man in his own.
Oh, they're screwing with you.
Bobo.
Oh my god.
What are you talking about?
Yo, bitch, Bobo Day.
No.
Yes. Yeah,
No,
yeah,
no, 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 no,
yeah,
no.
Yeah.
Whoa! What the
Yeah.
shit?
Hell yeah.
No! What?
Wait, yeah, bitch.
Come on! What are you guys doing to me? Why me? Come
You're a
on!
good guy. Yeah, whatever.
I'm a good guy.
You're trying to steal
This business!
Robodake's album.
I got
So
shareholders,
you're
bitches!
Yeah, you're a good guy. There you go. Oh shit, okay. I guess that's where to go. Alright.
Guys, he just donated 20 million to leukemia research.
Donated 20 million to leukemia research. Oh shit, okay.
Bitch better have my money.
There's a Lamborghini.
Yo,
because
who
my
did
one got
that?
Stolen. So fuck with. So I'm gonna have to get this cop out of the way. One way or another. Alright. See you later. Right, nice, got him. That is now my Lamborghini, thank you very much. That's good.
I saw everything.
Oh, you're a witness, are you?
Stop!
Get
What are you
fucked.
doing?
You actually